Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
I want to present our research, and I begin from the short story. From the past, people in Dayak tribe, especially women, usually use the cold powder when they work in rice field and when they welcome the honorable guests. And nowadays, women usually use the modern makeup that contain mercury and silicone and cause the acne scars like this. So in here, we show you the natural care from Dayak tribe. Well, our research, the benefits and the chemical substances in cold powder of Dayak. I am Angelina Puspitasari. The cold powder of Dayak is the natural powder from Dayak tribe in central Kalimantan. Its size is about 8 until 10 millimeters and has the yellowish color. Our hypothesis, the cold powder of Dayak is contain the chemical substances that benefits and safe to use. The purposes of research, first to know the benefits of the cold powder of Dayak, the second to know the chemical substances that contain in cold powder of Dayak, and last to ensure that it is safe to use. Research methodology, first literature method, observation method, and the last experiment method. Advantages of the research. First, to persuade that it is safe to use, and then more understand the benefits of the cold powder of Dayak, and the last as a way to conserve the culture of Dayak tribe. It is the materials to make the cold powder. First, Oryza sativa, and the second Padanaus amarylifolius, and then Petifera zizanoid, Acorus calamus, and Nucleus subtita, and the last Canama odorata. It is the sangku. Sangku used in wedding ceremonies in Dayak tribe. In the past, Dayak tribe believed that if we use the rice in sangku, it has the good effect to make the cold powder. But it is actually not because the sangku, but it is the chemical substances in the rice. The process of making powder. In here, we use two different containers to soak the rice. First, we use the stem of banana and the plastic container. We compare it. We make a container by using the stem of banana, and then we put the rice and pour water into it. We wait until the water out from the container, and then we pour water again every day during 4 days. After 4 days, it is the result. The rice, by using the stem of banana, there is fermentation process and the rice has greenish color. Meanwhile, by using the plastic container, there is nothing fermentation process and the rice has no change. Next step, we pound the rice to take the extract. The rice by using the stem of banana easier to pound and softer than the rice by using the plastic container. And then we remain until the essence of the rice precipitate. And then we put the essence of the rice on the cloth and remain for a while to get the solid extract. After that, it is the solid extract of the rice. Next step, we pound the root of Petifera zizanoid, Acorus calamus, and the skin of Nucleus subtita to get the extract of them. After that, we mix the essence of the rice and we mix with the extract and we stir it, and then we put on the cloth like this to get the solid extract. And the next step, we shape it as a small balls. It is by using the stem of banana and it is by using the plastic container. Next step, we sprinkle Padanaus amarylifolius and Canama odorata around the cold powder of Dayak. And the last step, we dry under the sun for a few days. First, by using the stem of banana and covered by thin cloth. The second, by using the plastic container and covered by thin cloth. And the last, by using the stem of banana and plastic container but not covered by thin cloth. And after a few days, it is the result. The first one looks smooth and not break. The second one looks rough and not break. But the third one, more yellowish and the part of them is broken. The substitution device. In natural process, Dayak tribe usually use the stem of banana to soak the rice, but in here we can replace it by the basket filters and we can get the same result. The comparison, leaf with cold powder of Dayak and leaf without cold powder of Dayak, we dry under the sun. And the result, leaf with cold powder of Dayak still look green and fresh. Meanwhile, leaf without cold powder of Dayak look withered and dry. So the cold powder of Dayak as a sunblock. The function of the cold powder of Dayak: whiten and brighten the skin, as a relaxation, as an aromatherapy, smooth the skin down, removing the acne scars, make our skin look younger, to help peeling the epidermis, and last protect our skin from the sunlight. The chemical substances. First, in Oryza sativa contain vitamin B and thiamine or vitamin B1. After fermentation contain microorganism, pigment and ethanol. The second, vetiver zizanoid, atsiri oil, harsa, and the other chemical substance. At Cananga odorata contain geraniol, benzoic, farnesol, and the other chemical substances. In Nucleus subdita contain vitamin C, saponin, flavonoida, and the other chemical substances. In Pandanaus amaryllifolia contain tannin, saponin, polyphenol, and the other chemical substances. And last, in Acorus calamus contain vitamin C, azoron, and the other chemical substances. It is our research in our biology laboratorium in our school. We examine the content of amylum, tannin, vitamin B, vitamin C, and oil. The comparison of the skin before woman used the cold powder, the black spot on her face, and after she used the cold powder, the black spot began to lose. And by using every day, the cold powder can help to removing the acne scars. So our conclusion, first, the cold powder of Dayak is useful for our skin, and then the cold powder of Dayak is safe to use every day, and the last, it is the culture that heritage from generation to generation. Our future works to find out the specific of the chemical substances that contain in cold powder of Dayak. Our recommendation, save our culture. Well, use the natural care for our face from Dayak tribe. Thank you for listening.